In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install WB polls and create your first poll in under 5 minutes. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Go to Plugins, then click Add New. Select your WB polls zip file and click Install Now. Once uploaded, click Activate Plugin. That's it. WB polls is now installed. Let's configure some settings before creating our first poll. Go to Settings, then WB Polls. You'll see 2 tabs, Activity Poll Settings for BuddyPress integration, and Poll Post Type Settings for standalone polls. Let's look at the standalone settings. Here's what matters most: who can create polls, choose which user roles have permission, who can vote, you can allow guests or require login. Poll Dashboard Page. Select a page for your public poll dashboard. And the color picker. Match progress bars to your brand. Adjust these to your preferences and click Save Changes. Now let's create a poll. Go to WB Polls, then Add New. Give your poll a title. This is the question you're asking. For example, which feature should we build next? Choose your poll type. Let's stick with text for now. It's the most common. Add your options. Click the plus button to add more. I'm adding 4 options: dark mode, mobile app, email integration, and API improvements. In the settings panel, you can set an expiration date, add a thank you message, choose whether to show results before or after voting, and more. When you're ready, click Publish. Every poll gets a shortcode. Copy it from the poll screen. Now open any page or post where you want to display the poll. Paste the shortcode where you want the poll to appear. Save and preview. There's your poll, live on your site. Click to vote and watch the results appear instantly. Beautiful progress bars, percentages, and vote counts, all automatic. If you're running BuddyPress or BuddyBoss, there's more. Go to your activity stream and you'll see a poll button in the activity form. Create polls right from the activity feed. Members can vote without leaving the stream. It's polling integrated directly into your community experience. You're now ready to start collecting feedback and engaging your users with WB polls. Whether you're running a community, product roadmap, or internal survey, polls help you make faster, data-driven decisions.